Welcome, in front of me is an Infinix Hot 11, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be located right... Guess this? Silent screen recorder? Okay. I guess we can here select voice screen recording or silent means that it won't be using microphone, I guess. So anyway, let's select start. It gives you a countdown, and now everything that you will do will be recorded. Once you're done with it, you can simply tap on the square. This will save the recording, which can be found in our photo gallery under albums and video. You can see it right now playing. So anyway, that is how you record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.